This is the replanted bed of asparagus, and like all the asparagus, it's had a right old bashing with the wind. But see the new shoots coming up, and there's seeds, which are no good by the way. Asparagus should be supported, but never seem to get around to doing it. Those are crowns, those. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the 2 seed beds of asparagus. Excuse me. October, I thought it would have been dying off now, but it's still growing, which is a good sign. Up to now there's no buttons on the purple sprouts. Buttons are starting to form on them, those sprouts.